Your window and door project should be simple, stress-free, and something you only do one time. We understand you may have questions, and it is our desire to help guide you in making the best decision for you and your family. The process is simple. Give us a call or visit our website to have one of our representatives meet you to discuss your project. We'll listen to your concerns, work to answer all of your questions, and show you options that meet your needs and exceed your expectations. You will receive a detailed proposal that is specific to your window and door replacement project. When you're ready to move forward, a project manager will come out to your home to get precision measurements used for ordering your custom windows and doors. Someone will contact you to schedule your installation based upon your product's estimated arrival. Once your installation day arrives, we treat your home with care and respect. In addition to your new product, we use quality materials and procedures, clean up and haul away all job-related debris, all while seeking to provide seamless service and a hassle-free installation. When everything is complete, the only thing we want to leave behind are your new windows and doors. Give us a call to start your replacement project today.